Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change language to English on 1688 app. All right, let's begin. First, you should know that the 1688 app does not currently offer a full option to change the language to English. Only a few main sections such as orders, messages, and basic headings appear in English. Most product listings, descriptions, and details remain in Chinese, which makes browsing difficult. Since there is no built-in language setting, the most effective solution is using Google Assistant for translation. Start by opening the 1688 app and navigating to the page you want to understand. Next, activate Google Assistant on your phone. Once Google Assistant is open, select the section of your screen you would like to translate and tap on this Translate button. Google Assistant will automatically scan the page and translate the Chinese text into English. You can use this method for product pages, seller details, pricing information, and checkout screens. Repeat the process whenever you need a translation. While this is not a permanent fix, it is currently the most practical way to read content in English on the 1688 app. So that's basically how you can change language to English on 1688 app. That's it for this video. Thanks.